What is happening, my Paris? Mama manias and Papa manias? Checking in. Jamaican Debbiedebs, checking pound. What is happening? What is happening with me? Upon my veranda, my dear. I'm on my veranda, you all. In Jamaica, we don't say patio, we say veranda, and we use it to the front of the house. I'm on the veranda with my little plants then outside there, so I was just talking to them. I talk to my plants, y'all. Do you all talk to your plants, all you who have plants? I'm talking to them, my friend did well though, saying to them that summer is over and it is now autumn. You all say fall. Sorry, but we say fall. So I have some here with some little fungus, and I have some here with some little burning. So I just come out, because you know what happens is a Friday evening. It's like when Friday evening in Jamaica is like work and everything shut down. There's a different feeling. You get a different feeling and different vibes. Even when I was doing lunches, office lunches a few months back, when Friday evening come this time of the evening, I'm sorry, the vibes just start to get real different, you know. I don't know if where you are it roll like that. If you're out on the road, then you know say the thing turn up with the excitement. But once you're home, all vibes kind of just, you know, like a little low key vibes, cause you know say you done the work week and you understand. So we just go chill out and something. But what is happening with you all? On in traffic coming from work? Are you getting your little beauty rest over? Are you just ready up for the night shift, the slave? Yeah, Debbiedebs know it. Debbiedebs been there, done it. And Debbiedebs still here, still doing it. Someone know the struggling? Know it well. Food I have put on the table. The bills them are the stress. They are at them are the thing. To the hour. 20 seconds. We have a string from now straight on. Yeah. So did you get anything out today? What how was your day like? Was it a fulfilled day? It was for me, in a way, because I got 3 miles of walking in, trying to take off some of the old summer belly, and you know, I don't know when summer, drink all of water, eat all of ice cream. I am a victim, yeah, me a victim. Eat up all of ice cream, drink up all of water. So I get some, about 3 miles of walking in today, drink some water, flush myself, and I start my flush out. Yeah, now flush out my system. So, you know, it's just a little vloggy, checking in thing. Yeah? I'm in the kitchen now, back in the kitchen, you all, and kitchen all clean, no cooking. We're not going to do any cooking today. All I'm going to do is like, I'm going to do a tutorial. This is like a tutorial for the main channel, the cooking channel. I'm going to demonstrate how to grease and line your baking tin. So we're going to that later on. That's how we're going to get in. Now cooking for the kitchen Friday evening, as we tell the Jamaican thing. And all of you Jamaicans who used to down there and know it well, don't it? Yes, so look here. As I just said to you, I'm on a flush out. Each season of the year, as soon as the season begins, I flush out. Bitters and all of that. Now me I drink some Cersei me I drink. Drink some from morning already, and I drink some again. I'm so on cake, yes I know. A cake is your camera girl cake. I want to cut piece of it and eat, but me I try all the faith. You understand? Because I'm drinking some bitters, and when I'm drinking bitters, I don't try to take anything with sugar. Because you eat all the sugar and sitting during summer, so you have to flush out. And let me tell you something, Mama Manias and Papa Manias. Try get some flush out. Flush yourselves off. When I say flush, I mean like with bush, Cersei, rice bitters. Oh, that is the king of bitters. I have. So as we go along on the Debbiedebs channel here, on the Debbiedebs train, yeah, you see my little thing that we use. I don't have Cersei, I got some. So right now, I'm just going to throw out a cup of Cersei right here, so I'm going to drink it because you got to flush yourselves, you know. All them holy unwanted something there. And camera girl is supposed to drink some, but she make up for her face and I go on, but she's going to drink it. I'm the mom here, I call the shot, so you're going to drink my little Cersei. Yeah, no sugar, you're flushing out. And it's not all that bitter. Because you know what happened? You know these Cersei nowadays, I notice them not bitter anymore. Come like a joking Cersei them. They don't play Cersei them. So I drink my little Cersei. And you know my kitchen well though. You know my kitchen, y'all. From over the main channel. Checking in with me. You know my kitchen well. So, some Cersei. It's strange for you all to be seeing me here. I'm not demonstrating. But you'll get used to it, man. You'll get used to it. You know? So, I chew up my little Cersei. I may drink my Cersei. Yeah, you need to get yourself in Mama Manias and Papa Manias, some bitters to flush out. Yeah, Christmas I come, we have to start flush yourself. As I tell you, as soon as a new season begins, I start to flush with bitters and all of them sitting, garlic tea, you name them. Yeah. Bitters in. Yeah. Them Cersei I come like a joking Cersei. Not bitter enough, my boy. But I don't know if you know Cersei. You all know Cersei? This is what I have in the pot. The boil. This is for camera girl. Some of this is for camera girl. Yeah. So this is what you have to dry it like. And then you boil it. And it's good. It's bitters. But when you're drinking it, you don't put sugar. Some people boil it and then they put sugar in there. That's nonsense. So, Jamaican Friday evening, kitchen tidy up, clean and all of that. Yeah, man. No cooking. Yeah? Yeah, Mama Manias and Papa Manias. Me inside a camera girl room here. I just take a little chillax out for her bed. As I tell you, it's a little Jamaican Friday evening. And I know you never see Debbiedebs from that trailer yet, you know. You never see her so relaxed. All you see her in the kitchen at work. Yeah, man. Real cookie in her kitchen. But me never grumble say I want to go home yet. Yeah, okay? So, me dey right here so in a camera. I just chill out on her bed. She dey behind the camera and she not so well. She come from school. She wanted to say hi, but another time. And remember in the intro, I had left you a Jamaican proverb. Cow never know the use I'm tail till him not have it for fan fly. Yeah? In English, it simply means cow never know, or a cow never knows the use of its tail until he doesn't have it to keep flies off. A cow never knows the use of its tail until it doesn't have it to keep flies off. Now, the moral of it is one, or when I say one, I mean anybody, a person. You never know that you have a good thing going on until you have lost it. You never know that you have a good person in your life until you have lost that person. Yeah, man. Never know that you had something going on for you until you lose that thing. Never know that that person that you had in your life that was so good to you that you took for granted all along. Never know that that person was such a good person till you lose that person. Yeah, y'all. So, just a little Jamaican thing for say, look here, Mama Mania and Papa Manias. Everybody all out there. Some of us sometimes we get some good people in our lives, some good things going on for us. And guess what? We just loaf it out. It's a Jamaican slang patois. Loaf it simply means we don't care about it. And then we lose it. Just a Jamaican proverb. Hey man, so as me tell you, so me in a camera girl room and we are checking in Mama Manias and Papa Manias. And we're just keeping it low, on a low key Friday, Jamaican Friday evening, and all of that. And leader, you're the first person to make a comment on the new channel. Big up yourself, okay? Check. And question of the Jamaican vlog here. Have you ever, it's a 3-part question. Have you ever been to Jamaica? Where in Jamaica have you visited? And would you come back again? Let me recap. Have you ever been to Jamaica? Where in Jamaica did you visit? And would you come back again? Yeah. So as I tell you, it's a like a video vlog thing. And you know, we're just starting out. So, you know, we're going on and we're doing with thing and all of that. And all of you all out there, as I said to you, getting ready to go to do the night shift. Be blessed, stay blessed. You understand? And know, say, you know, there's always one who is bigger and better and can control everything. Don't let the evil around you take control of you. Because, you know, evil is all over all of us. We have the struggling. We have the evilous force all around. Debbiedebs know it. I know it. And we know say evil they're everywhere. So I don't know what is happening in your American Friday evening. What is happening for your British Friday evening? What is happening for your Canadian Friday evening? Let me know in the comments. See? And I am about to say bye for now. And I'm going to leave you again with this, another Jamaican proverb. And the same day leave drop of water rotten, take many days after. And the same day leave drop of water rotten, take many days after. When you see us again, yeah, or let me clarify that when you see me again, I'll explain. Okay? Peace, stay blessed.